So let's begin to do a double treble. So it's even taller than a treble, and trebles we chained up 4. So we have to add an extra chain when we go to start. So we're gonna chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there is your first treble, double treble right there. You're gonna come to your next stitch and you have to wrap 3 times. So yarning over once, twice, and 3 times. Now usually when it gets really kind of loosey-goosey like this, I can usually put my finger over top of the stitch so it prevents it from coming off, and then I go immediately into the next stitch and then I pull through. And now we have a total of 5 loops on the hook. So yarning over, pulling it through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, and work your way back to the top. So a double treble is just wrapping 3 times. So 1, 2, and 3. And then coming in, pull through 2, all the way back up to the top. So wrapping 3 times, and you end up with these long posts for double treble. And you do that all the way down to the end of your row. Like the double crochet and the treble, you just have to watch that very ending one, that you make sure that you go into the turning chain to finalize, so you don't stop early. You don't see this stitch very often, but when it's used it usually has a good purpose to it, and it's something that will be useful in your stitch knowledge of crochet. So I'm coming up all the way to the end. So don't forget to go into the turning chain. So wrap 3 times, going into the chain itself, never to a gap, pulling it through, and then pull through 2s all the way back up to the top. So once you've done that, you simply turn, and then remember to chain 5 to begin, and then start double trebling all the way across. This is double treble.